Hi guys, and today I wanted to show you guys how to start a YouTube channel, a beginner's guide for 2021. So I'm assuming you already know that you want to start a channel, you know what your topic is going to be about, and you just want to know how to start a channel, and I'm going to guide you through it step by step for a beginner's guide. I am on Google, and first we're gonna go is to create a Gmail account because Google owns YouTube and you need that to do that. So if you haven't already, but I'm just doing this for beginners, complete beginners, if not you can skip this step as well. So to manage your business, because starting a YouTube channel is a business, keep that in mind. If you are serious about starting a YouTube channel, this is a business, this is not a side hobby. So I am going to put my name, and I want to do la profesora, la profesora Julissa, and hopefully I can do that. And then you create that. And once you go onto YouTube, once you created a Gmail account, automatically you're able to have a YouTube account. So that's how you create your YouTube account officially, and it's in YouTube officially as well. And you can go on to youtube.com and you're gonna find your profile there. A quick introduction into the YouTube studio and your YouTube channel, and just kind of going through what to do, what are the buttons, what are the functions, and it's going to be a very quick crash course, and we're going to start this together, and hopefully this will clarify any questions you have about how to use a YouTube studio. So first, if you see here, I have La Profesora Julissa. I might fix the way it looks later. I put a picture there already. So just to upload a video, you will always go up to the right hand and you're gonna click create, upload video, or you can go live as well if you want to stream. And then you select a file that is acceptable up to them, and it will upload, and it will also give you options on how to upload a video. So if you click on back there, if you click here, you can go onto your channel again. And on your channel, you're gonna have your videos. This one, you post any that's gonna be there. You can create playlist as well, things that I've already liked. And then you have channels, discussion when you want to discuss with your other YouTubers, or if you want to discuss with the audience anything or make any announcements. I've seen YouTubers do that as well. And you also have your about. So I just joined yesterday and I'm continuing the video today. And so from here, we're gonna go to manage videos. All right, so on the dashboard, you're gonna have usually information about your video, the views, watch time. I don't have anything since this is a fresh new channel, just kind of like with you, I'm starting this fresh. So let's see, and then usually when you go to analytics, you will definitely have more information to go through here. With overview, it's just going to tell you like the amount of views, watch time, subscribers. The reach is going to be impressions, how many people have seen your videos and how many times it's been clicked through. And engagement, it's going to be the average view duration of your videos. So then comments are going to be here as well. They're very easily to kind of distinguish, and it's not that hard. Now, one of the best features that I do like is that they have subtitles, copyright, monetization, customization. For the customization, you can go there and add a trailer for your channel for people who have never watched your channel, which is pretty cool. You can add a feature for people who return, for branding, and then this is where you can change your profile picture, and you can add that banner that people have, and you can also create that as well in there. So then basic info is like your name. So actually I might change that right now. I'm gonna call it La Profesora. Let's see. La Profesora Julissa. And I kind of want it in that way. URL, contact, add links. All right. And I like it like that. I love it like that. All right, so you have here in settings is actually a really important tab. If you really want to get to know settings, I wish I knew settings more before, so I'm gonna help you guys with this. And in settings, you can go into channel and you can select your country of residency. So I'm gonna go to US. That's where I am, all the way in the bottom of this. Let's see. Oh, there it is. All right, and then this is actually really important. If you wanted to add keyed words that are going to direct people to your channel, this is your chance when you go into the settings. So in settings, I'm actually going to go and I'm going to add a few things myself. So for keyed words, I'm going to add like how to grow on YouTube, my name, Julissa, Mercedes. If you look me up, I have a second channel or my main channel under that name if you want to go check it out. And then basically you can put YouTube or how to gain views on YouTube, how to make a YouTube channel. I'm basically creating a channel to help other creators, specifically new creators, how to create videos, how to edit videos, how to create an account, how to grow your views, how to interact with your channel. So pretty much kind of like a how-to channel, but for YouTube creators specifically as well, like beginners. So that's pretty much what I'm trying to niche down into this market. So hopefully this actually makes a lot of sense for you guys who are watching this. So how to make a YouTube channel, as well how to let's see, how to grow on YouTube, how to make videos on YouTube, like things like that you can add as well. There's so many things that you can do and add, but just to start, I can start with these, and you click save as well, and you go back to settings. Let's see, and then upload defaults are actually things that you see in the description bar when you see a video, and so you don't have to write the same thing over and over again. You will add it here in the description bar where it says tell your viewers about your video, and visibility, tags that you always want to add into your videos, advanced settings, like what category are you going to be in. So mine's are going to be about people blogs pretty much, and like how to, if they have a how to, yeah, how to. And then it has standard. These are pretty standard things. Permissions, community. If you want to approve people, add people, take away people. There's that option there as well. So I'm going to save that, and that's going to be the end of that. Like now that you have your YouTube channel set, I want to help you into like how to get into the motion of YouTube, how to kind of become successful over time. And these are the things that I managed to get better at over time, and this is what really helped me as a creator become more consistent and actually stick to a schedule of creating things on YouTube. So I'm guessing at this point you know what kind of music or what kind of content that you're trying to create on YouTube, and what I'm going to try to help you is pretty much give you an idea of a routine that you need to have a YouTube channel. And this routine is actually going to help you manage your YouTube videos, help you to get your audience to understand your schedule, and to realize when you're going to upload and kind of grow yourself as well. This is a very important aspect. Just thinking like you started a YouTube channel, you're starting a business, think about how can I run this business? How can I make this an efficient business? I want you to know is that with YouTube, you need to think about a schedule and how you're going to upload on YouTube. So think about this. How many times do you want to upload onto YouTube? And be realistic. There are things that you want to be able to stick to, and I think that's more important than uploading 8 videos in a month and then not uploading for 6 months, versus uploading 4 or 5 videos every week or every month. Instead of doing that, that's actually more in your favor, so that way you're more current and you actually might hit the nail and get a viral video as you think you will one day, which just want to let you know that that doesn't happen as often as people think. There's so many people that post on YouTube, and the chances of your video being viral is very slim, but it is possible. It is very possible. Don't think it's an everyday occurrence. So you want to make sure that you have more chances throughout time than putting all your chances in 1 month or 1 week and then not giving it any more chances throughout the year or seasonally. That's actually a better idea. And next thing that I do want to talk about is planning. Plan about, okay, so if you dedicated yourself to one video a month, okay, you decided that whatever topic that you pick, that video once a month you're gonna post, right? You post it, you have that, you comment, you have your people like the video, dislike the video, you get your feedback. You take that feedback and you think about, okay, what next video can I make based off of that, and go on to the next and the next and the next and next until you run out dry of how many versions of the same video you could make for that one idea, if it was a successful idea. If it wasn't, that's fine. You gotta remember that your first 50 videos might not be good, probably won't be good, and that's okay, because from each video you should be getting better. And I kind of want to show a little montage from my first video to the video that I'm doing now. So it's definitely more different. I'm getting better. I'm adjusting things, and you learn over time. It's fine if your first video doesn't get like even 50 views. It happens. So do not get discouraged. My biggest tip is to have patience, and even my channel, I still haven't really like hit 1,000 subscribers yet, and it shows it's just like, just to get up to that threshold, it's not very easy. It's very hard to get to certain thresholds on YouTube. And I plan up to the first 6 months to a year what your goals are. What are your goals on YouTube? How many subscribers do you want to have within 6 months, within 1 year from this time now? That way you're working towards something, because if you're just working towards thin air to just put music out or just put content out, you're kind of working aimlessly throughout like space. You're not really going towards a goal. You're not motivated by anything besides unless you're just doing this for pleasure and you're not really trying to make a side business with this, or even make it into a full-time hobby of something of the sort. You really need to have at least a few goals. That way you have something to have a threshold of like what you want to reach, to have an idea of where you want to be. That way you're working towards that, and you're putting your energy and resources that get you towards that goal quicker than not having a plan. I guarantee you that there's like a quote somewhere saying that I'd rather follow a fool with a plan than somebody that's extremely smart without a plan. Planning is everything, guys, so don't underestimate the power of planning. Now, if you put the name of your channel below, I'm gonna go check it out, and I would love to see what content you're making. I will watch it in full, and I will leave a comment as well. Just let me know the name of your video. Please like, subscribe for the algorithm, and I'll see you guys later.